Hey, Mark, you look really uncomfortable today.
Yeah, I am. Not just a little, like really uncomfortable.
Oh no, what happened?
I really need the bathroom.
Okay, that's a very real situation.
Yeah, but here's the problem.
What?
I don't know how to ask.
Really?
Yeah, I have the idea in my head, but the English just doesn't come out.
That's actually very common.
Yeah, I was just standing there thinking, okay, what do I say?
And nothing came out?
Nothing.
That's painful.
Very painful.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You are in that situation. You really need the bathroom. What would you say?
Maybe toilet? Where?
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah, it sounds wrong.
It's not wrong, but it's not natural.
Yeah, I feel awkward.
Okay, here's the key. Real life English is simple.
Simple?
Yes, you don't need a perfect sentence.
Really?
Yes, just say this. Where is the bathroom?
Oh, that's simple?
Yes. Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Perfect. This is the sentence you need.
That feels much easier.
Exactly. Now say it again, but more natural.
Where is the bathroom?
Good, but relax a bit.
Okay. Where is the bathroom?
Yes, that's better. Not too stiff.
Yeah, I feel the difference.
That's important. You don't just say the sentence, you say it naturally.
Yeah, before I sounded like a robot.
Exactly. Now let's go back to your situation. You see someone, what do you say?
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. That's exactly what you should say.
Wow, that feels good.
Yes, simple, clear, natural. Now, one more thing.
Okay.
Sometimes people don't say bathroom.
Oh?
They say restroom.
Oh, restroom.
Yes. Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Perfect. This sounds a bit more polite.
Yeah, I like that.
Good. Now try again.
Okay. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Excellent. That is real English.
Yeah, I feel more confident already.
Good. That's the goal. But let's continue your story.
Okay.
You asked the question,
Yeah?
and you answered,
Right?
but you didn't understand.
Oh no, that happens a lot.
Yes. So what do you do?
I usually just smile.
And pretend you understand?
Yeah,
That's a big problem.
I know.
So here's what you say. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, sorry, can you repeat that?
Perfect. This is very important.
Yeah, I really need this.
Everyone needs this. Let's try your situation again.
Okay, excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's upstairs next to the stairs.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Upstairs next to the stairs.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. That is real life English.
Yeah, I've been in that exact situation.
Exactly. Now let's make it more natural.
More natural?
Yes, add a small pause, like this. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Oh, sorry, can you repeat that?
Very good. That sounds more human.
Yeah, less robotic.
Exactly. Now another way. Sorry, can you say that again?
Oh, sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect. Same meaning.
Yeah, easy to remember.
Now let's make your situation worse.
Worse?
Yes, you go to a small cafe,
Okay.
and maybe they don't have a restroom.
Oh no.
Yes, that happens. So what do you do? First, don't ask where.
Oh?
Ask this. Do you have a restroom?
Oh, do you have a restroom?
Perfect. Very important question.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Now imagine they say no.
Oh.
What do you do next?
I don't know.
That's the moment. So you say, is there a restroom nearby?
Oh, is there a restroom nearby?
Perfect. That is real life English.
Yeah, this is very useful.
Let's build a full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have a restroom?
No, sorry.
Oh, is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, next door.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Perfect. That is exactly what you need. Okay, Mark, let's continue.
Okay.
You asked for the restroom.
Yes?
And you found it.
Finally.
But now you're not sure if it's the right place.
Oh, that happens.
Yes. So what do you say?
I don't know.
You can ask this. Is this the restroom?
Oh, is this the restroom?
Perfect. Very simple.
Yeah, very easy.
Let's try.
Excuse me, is this the restroom?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now another situation.
Okay.
You find the restroom,
Yes?
but it's closed.
Oh, no.
Yes. So what do you say?
I can say, is there another restroom?
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, I like this.
Try full situation.
Excuse me, is there another restroom?
Yes, on the first floor.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You're in a big mall.
Hmm.
You want to ask quickly.
Okay.
You can say, where can I find the restroom?
Oh, where can I find the restroom?
Very good. This sounds more natural.
Yeah, I like this one.
Try again.
Excuse me, where can I find the restroom?
Perfect. Now let's make it more polite.
Okay.
Listen, excuse me, could you show me where the restroom is?
Oh, could you show me where the restroom is?
Perfect. This is very polite.
Yeah, I like this one.
Try full situation.
Excuse me, could you show me where the restroom is?
Yes, follow me.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's add a problem.
Okay.
You're in a hurry,
Very hurry.
and the line is long.
Oh, no.
Yes, so you ask, is there another restroom?
Oh, is there another restroom?
Perfect. Very useful.
Yeah, I need this.
Now let's go to another place.
Okay.
You're in a hotel.
Hmm.
You just arrived.
Right.
What do you say?
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Perfect. Or, do you have a restroom?
Oh, do you have a restroom?
Yes. Very natural. Now another situation.
Okay.
You're outside.
Hmm.
No buildings around.
Oh.
So you ask someone, is there a restroom nearby?
Oh. Is there a restroom nearby?
Perfect. Very useful when traveling.
Yeah, I like this.
Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
You're tired,
Very tired.
so you speak slowly.
Hmm.
Listen, excuse me, can you tell me where the restroom is?
Oh, slower. Excuse me, can you tell me where the restroom is?
Perfect. That is okay.
Yeah, I feel more comfortable.
Now, final challenge.
Okay.
Full conversation.
All right. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
On the left.
Oh, okay. Is it near here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because now I don't panic.
Exactly.
Before, I froze.
And now?
Now I just say simple things.
That's the key. Simple, clear, natural.
Yeah, I don't need perfect English.
Exactly. So tell me, what will you say first?
Easy. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Perfect. And if you don't understand?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Good. If there is no restroom?
Is there a restroom nearby?
Excellent. That is real life English.
Yeah, I feel ready now.
Good. Keep practicing every day,
I will.
and you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Speaker One.
You're welcome.